Awesome, so if you haven't seen this video we made here showing you how to make $150 per hour from home, no money required, go and watch it now. It's part 1 of this series. In this video, we're gonna put our money where our mouth is and actually show you how we made $51 in just 1 minute of work and how you can do the same thing too, leveraging Fiverr. This video is really amazing for me because 1, we're not affiliated with any of these platforms or trying to sell anything. And 2, when I dropped out of college and moved to Brazil with just $2,000 in my bank account, this was one of my lifelines that helped me survive over there. So I'm excited to share it with you and help you out as well. So hit that like button and the subscribe button and let's jump in. It doesn't matter what you're good at, you can do it online. If you're not good at anything, you can also do that online, and I'll show you how to do that in a second and get paid for it. This is if you're good at doing something like market research, if you're doing an accounting, if you're doing IT, you can digitalize that job and bring it online and make a lot of money doing it. Start this side hustle. You can see this person, Hafage01613. They've got 182 reviews of doing market research. Now, they're not all going to be at $360, but you can see there's some for $240, there's some of them for $50 for just doing a market trends and a SWOT analysis for a company, which takes 2 seconds. They got 10 people who've ordered this in the last 3 days. So say the average order was $100 between the standard and the basic. That's $1,000 in the last 3 days for just performing some simple market research for businesses. And if that's what you're good at, jump on Fiverr and start selling that yourself. Here's a better example of it though, because this is a little bit of additional tips for selling on Fiverr or for selling on Upwork or wherever you are going to digitalize your business and your job, because this person is obviously in IT and development. So if you are in IT or software development, you don't want to just be broad and offer all IT software development. You want to niche down, not just because it saves you more time, but because it's actually going to make you more money. So have a look at this. This person is optimizing a WordPress website, speed fix, WooCommerce speed. So all these titles are sort of SEO jams. That's why they're so awkward and weird. But what they're doing is they're basically going to people who have WordPress websites and they're saying they're going to speed up their performance. Now, if you're in IT or you're not in IT, have a look at this. Here is a course. It's not my course, not affiliated with anything I'm recommending here. This is all free information I'm giving out. But I went to this course because it's got 3,000 students and a 4.6 rating, and it's basically teaching you how to boost WordPress website speeds. Now, you don't even have to buy a course. You can go to YouTube. I'm sure you're going to get very much similar, maybe not quite as good content, but that's going to be able to go to other people and say, yeah, I have the skills to boost your website speed. This guy's charging $50 for the essential, $100 for the best value package. You can't look past the best value package, and $200 for the VIP package. So he's making somewhere between $50 and $200 per order. And he's got 2 orders in the last 4 days. And he's very small. He's very niche. He doesn't have a lot of reputation on this, but he's just niched down to something very, very specific. Here's another one. So I'm in the e-commerce game. So I sell physical products on Amazon, which is an amazing long-term business opportunity. Check out my other videos if you want advice on this stuff. But basically, this guy realizes there's a lot of people who sell their products on Amazon, and instead of being a translator in the open niche of, yes, I will translate anything for you, he's niched down into something very specific where he's translating product listings. So on Amazon, if you're selling in the US market and you have a description of your product, he will translate the description of your product into a different language for you. And now, because people are searching Amazon listing translation, he's going to be showing up and he's going to have a lot easier job than translating a whole bunch of random documents. Now, this is someone who does logo design. They do 2 modern logo designs per order. You can see it costs $15 for the basic, $65 for the standard, and $115 for the premium. You can see they have 165 people who have ordered this in the last 3 days. They're absolutely cashing in on this. And it's very, very simple because what they've done is niche down into modern logo design. Now for us, we wanted to replicate something like this and show you how easy it actually is to get started if you just come and list your service here in the right way. So the best way to do this is to niche down. So this was our listing. I will design your minimalist text or badge logo design. Once again, SEO jam. Doesn't make much sense. Don't pay attention to our rating. This was just a side project. meant to be a YouTube video late last year, but now it's a YouTube video this year. So what we did is we made very simple minimalist logos. Why I chose minimalist is the same reason I say to niche down, because it takes me 3 to 4 minutes to create one of these logos. All you have to do is just plug someone else's brand name into this instead of the word Fiverr. This is obviously just demonstration purposes. I did a black and a white one, and it looked good with the title, and we had people order it. How quickly these are to make are ridiculous. So this is one that we made, Splite Prints. They paid us $51.75. And this is how long it takes me to make that $51.75 once it's up. I've got the font called Railway, Splite Prints is their name. Make sure it's spaced out because it always looks better spaced out. Once again, you can go and learn whatever skill. This logo design is just one thing that I already know how to do, so I put up logo design. You can do this in any niche you want. So Splite Prints, and then we need a border around it. So we got this border, make sure it's the right thickness, and we'll pop him over there. We'll even him up by highlighting him, clicking this, aligning him, and we have a logo. There it is, $51.75. Now that is an exaggerated time frame, of course, but once you get into it, once you get something that you can be really, really good at, far better than anyone else can deliver, you want to make sure you've boxed yourself in. So minimalist logo, or just SWOT analysis on competitors, or translating in Amazon. Niche down, be really good, over deliver so you don't get the low ratings like we got, and then, the low ratings here, and then expand from there. Then go to Upwork, and then start creating a course about how you do it. This is how people are digitalizing their jobs and making lots of money. Hit that like button if this helped you out in any way possible. Subscribe and watch this next video here.